length of the boat.
Oh, okay.
And all the way, and it's really the second half that's really the most important. The first half is hey, but the second half is really what turns you. You don't want to.
You're not leaning back.
Oh, he did the unconscious.
Yeah, breath hold there, fella.